My name is Jeremy Lastman. I'm a former SpaceX technologist and inventor of imagination technology, and I'm the founder and CEO of the Passion Company. And I'm stoked today to share a major announcement and to formally introduce the Passion Company to the world. Today, I want to go through some historic announcements and results from the close to 10 years of research, development, and testing of my invention, imagination technology, and the latest in product developments from our early case studies and beta testers who have been using it for a few months now. So I want to kind of start in the history of what sort of game-changing paradigm shift that we are approaching, first from a company level and then to a species level, a human species level. So just to give you a frame of reference, we can look at the Renaissance to the Industrial Revolution as about 200 to 300 years. And we can really assess the amount of innovation and inventions and civilization level ups that occurred in those hundreds of years. And so, not since the advent of industry itself has there been something so historic for the human species in terms of our evolution. And so fast forward in history to the very early days of my work, I was drawn to really studying what I felt were the mechanical limitations of evolution. And as an innovator, as an inventor, uh, as an impatient creative who thinks things are too slow, I thought that something could be better. And I didn't quite know what domain I was really touching upon until about 3 years ago when we started the Passion Company and kind of took the R&D into play. And what it has come down to, this invention of imagination technology, where coming from how big that vision was and really not knowing how to communicate it, not knowing really how to deliver it the best. But I knew there was something to it. There was something to me being the first test subject of this evolutionary upgrade. And to bring the history here, what we're looking at is what has been the operating system at play for as long as the human species has been on Earth. We can see natural selection from nature. That's the randomized, mutation-based, long game of change in species. And what we would later determine as survival of the fittest. This has been the operating system that has been running humanity forever. There has never been a challenger brand to that operating system. And that is what I am so excited to announce today is there is a new player on the board.